Hi, I'm Natalie Madison of Art is in Cakes, where we give you the tools and the knowledge to build your passion for baking. And today we're going to show you how to make pumpkin spice cake pops with edible glitter. Start with a chocolate mold. A simple pumpkin will do. We like the kind with the lollipop sticks. That way we can insert 4.5-inch sticks to make this a beautiful presentation. You're going to begin by putting your extra cake scraps into your mixer bowl with a paddle attachment. Allow this to paddle together until it forms a nice smooth dough. You don't need to add buttercream or anything unless it just won't come together. Next, we're going to add a little bit of pumpkin spice emulsion to make this super tasty. And it is a pumpkin after all, so let's make it pumpkin spicy. We're using just basic white confectionery coating chocolate and microwaving it in short increments in the microwave. Not too long because we don't want to overheat it. Allow it to come together until nice and smooth. To add color, use oil-based color. Chameleon chocolate coloring is oil-based and beautiful and highly pigmented. Yellow and red make orange. Stir until completely emulsified in the color that you're trying to achieve. Using a spatula or a spoon, place small amounts of the colored chocolate into your pumpkin mold. And then tap down gently to get all of the little air bubbles out from the surface. Flip it over and begin slowly and gently getting excess chocolate out of the mold. We want a nice thick layer in there, but we need enough space to add our cake pop batter. Using a flat scraper, scrape the excess chocolate off the sides, and you'll probably want to go in and clean the areas where the cake pop stick needs to slide into the cake pop. Let this cool in the refrigerator for a few minutes and then begin making tiny little dollops of cake pop batter. Press it into each pumpkin, leaving enough space on the top to add a layer of chocolate to seal the mold. Be sure to save all of that good chocolate. Reheat it in the microwave. We're going to use that later. Place your sticks in place and then come back through with melted chocolate to cover the back side of the stick and the cake pop batter. Tap that down to get down into the small little crevices and remove air bubbles. Scrape it clean and smooth. And usually I take a moment to use my fingers and just clean up the outside of the mold, but I'm going to add a little bit more chocolate to weld down these cake pop sticks. If you can see the stick, use a little bit more chocolate and make them nice and strong. You can use a paintbrush to get out to the outer edges and help smooth that and make it a little bit thinner. Pop the whole thing into the freezer now for about 10 minutes. Use your fingers to clean up any excess before you try to remove the cake pop from the mold. Flip the mold over and gently press the back of the mold. The chocolate will release itself. If it's not wanting to release, put it back into the freezer for a few minutes. Make sure that chocolate is fully solidified. Using piping gel and a craft brush, just simply brush the outside of your cake pop and you're ready to begin adhering glitter. I love this one. So sparkly. You can sprinkle it on. You can brush it on. You can also use beautiful little pump sprays and spray it on. Once you're finished, allow that to dry slightly before putting in pretty little bags for final display. And there you have it, glitter cake pops.